Hello, everybody. My name is Mehdi Pekar. I'm the founder and inventor of Celebrace. Today, I want to show you a case in Celebrace software. I'm going to log in into Celebrace software, and I want to show you this case. I'm going to open the treatment plan for this Celebrace patient. This patient has a huge overjet and is class 2, and our treatment plan for him is to do a camouflage. If I show you the initial, you see that there is this huge overjet, and the patient is very class 2, but we don't want to do any orthodontic surgery or any other treatment, except for we don't want to do extraction. Um, we want to do camouflage. And if you want to treat this patient with traditional braces, we have MBT or rod or like these kind of prescriptions for brackets. And towards the end of the treatment, if you really don't want to compromise and we want to have an ideal tip and torque for each patient, we have to do some wire bending. But when we have seller-based custom brackets, we can have the exact prescription that we want for this patient with the slot size that we want. And here, if I go and I want to show you the table for tip and torque. You see that the tip and torque for this patient is custom for this patient. And this patient, all the brackets they're not MBT or they're not Roth. They are exactly what we need. And that is the exact prescription that we want for this patient, that nobody else in the world might have that needs this prescription. So I want to talk about this, and I think that's an important thing about customization of brackets is not just at the base of the bracket, it's also in the slot of the bracket. Thank you very much and have a great day.